Come on, guys. We have to keep moving. Let's go. Yes, Alpha. You guys coming or what? Jeez, you have to slow down. Do you not realize that? Yeah, you're a little bit too fast. You guys are one of my best hunters. I advise you to try and keep up. We're trying. Shadow, please be a little bit slower. Whatever. Let's go. He's so rough sometimes. Exactly. I'll just go even faster. It's not like I need them anyways. What's that smell? Cats. Well, hello, Shadow. How are you today? Nice to see you too, Tigris. I advise you to get out of my path. And who's gonna stop us, I will. How can a wolf stop 3 tigers? Apparently you can't count because I only see 2 of you. Say less. Crap. Atlas, get him. Get off me. I advise you to stop struggling, puppy. I'd advise you to step away from my alpha. Who's gonna stop me? There's only 2 of you. Apparently a cat can't count. Exactly. Because cats are flea bags. You didn't have a very good comeback there. No, sorry. I'm bad at thinking. Atlas, step down. Dang it. Thanks, you guys. No problem. I'm pretty sure 3 tigers could win over 4 wolves, because wolves are weak, pathetic mutts. We'll see about that. If I roll 1 claw on you, I bet I'll rip your eyes out if I do. I'd like to see you try, puppy. Tigris, I hear other wolves. I think we should start going. Yeah, I think you should if you don't want to get your tails ripped off. We'll be back, just so you know. And this won't end well when we are. Don't think you guys will win, because we'll also have backup. Pathetic mutts. Losers.